Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate a complete server monitoring project using AWS EC2, Prometheus Grafana and Node Exporter. In this project, I have created two EC2 instances. One server is configured as the monitoring server where I have installed Prometheus and Grafana. The second server is the application server where Node Exporter is installed to collect system level matrices. Prometheus collects matrices such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, and network activity from the application server, and Grafana is used to visualize these matrices through dashboards. So I will take you through the step by step, starting from the EC2 configuration, installing Node Exporter and Prometheus, and after that connecting Prometheus with Grafana, importing the monitoring dashboard, and finally I will show you how to do RAM stress test to verify that our monitoring system is working correctly. So first of all, I will show you the complete process which I have done. So this is the dashboard of Grafana. So you can see that RAM usage is 29.9%. Total RAM is 913 MIB is used. So this is the dashboard of Grafana. So now we will go step by step. First, we have to create two servers. I have named it as monitoring and just a second. Okay. So you can see one is monitoring server and one is application server. So I have made two private servers. So I will show you the details. So it is a public IP address. You can see private IP address. And another one is application server. So we have created two servers. And we have created security groups, separate security groups, and I have given inbound rule all traffic. So you can give inbound rule as per the requirement. So I have made one documentation for that, where you can use SSH 22 So I will explain you why these port numbers are used in the upcoming. So these are the but for practice we can give all traffic inbound rule. Okay, after that I have connected this. I have connected instances. So first of all, I have connected application server. So you can see I have completed this process. So it is quite a long process. So it takes time. So I have completed this, and I have created one document. In that document, you can see step by step. So after creating EC2 instances and security groups, first of all, we are going to install Node Exporter. So you have to run these commands is step by step, one by one. By following these commands, you can install Node Exporter on application server. Remember, on application server, we have to install Node Exporter. After that, using sudo vi, we have to paste this command, this script inside the vi, and after that we have to test Node Exporter using curl whether it is active or not. So I did this, but as I have installed this one, so it is not showing. So it went very up. So I'm showing you step by step. If you follow this step by step, then definitely you can able to get the result very similar to this. Okay, after that node exporter, you have to connect for monitoring server. Now connect to monitoring server, and first of all run this curl, and in application private you have to paste the private IP address of application server. So you can see some output. So if that output comes, then you can assume that your function, your server is working properly. After that, install Prometheus in monitoring server, and you follow this step by step. By following this, you can get the result. The commands are very good, and they are in a step by step manner. So you don't need to wait for anything. You can just go on monitoring server. Okay. Okay. In this create Prometheus configuration, you have to make one change. You have to paste application private IP address, application server private IP address in these targets, so that you can integrate with this. Yeah, after that, we have to check Prometheus configuration using this promotol check config command. If it get expected success, then your Prometheus is installed correctly. Now it's time to test Prometheus. So using monitoring public IP, monitoring server public IP. Here one HTTP is there. So in monitoring public IP, paste your monitoring server public IP address and hit to the server browser. So you can see one Prometheus web interface. I will show you. So you can see such kind of interface, as it is saying that timeout, just because I started it a few minutes ago, so it got time. Okay. After that, check Prometheus targets, and here one important is you have to see application server should show up. So after that, see state should be in up state. So you can understand from this that your Prometheus is working properly. Okay, after that install Grafana on monitoring server. Okay, and follow the same step by step which is given here. And after that, open Grafana using monitoring server public IP address. Paste this and give port number 3000. So the port numbers we have used in security groups, so that port numbers are used here. That's why we have given there. Instead of all traffic, we have to give that, but for test purpose, we can use all traffic. Otherwise, in real time, you have to give port number 3000 for Grafana, and for Prometheus, you have to give 9090 as a port number. Such kind of port number you have to use. After that, okay, after that you have to open Grafana, so you can see this dashboard. After opening Grafana, you can see this. No, this dashboard will come afterwards, but before that you will see home page, and in home page you have to give add new connections. First step is go in connections, add new connections. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, before going there here, you will see login and login page. So in that login page, you have to give admin as a username and admin as a password, and you have to first change your password. It will automatically show to change the password. After changing password, again you have to log in, and after login, this page will appear. Okay, so from here you have to add new connection, and here select Prometheus. Select Prometheus because we are using Prometheus. You can use another also, and go on add new data source. Okay, and here you have to give this. and after that save and test. So it is showing successfully queried the Prometheus API. After that, showing dashboards. So after that, import, and you have to give 1860 as a this dashboard is using. Okay, it is here showing already exist. No problem. We will change something. So now we can see dashboard. 1806 is the code for this kind of interface. If you want some another kind of interface, then you can change the code. You can ask to you can Google it, and you can take some another number instead of 1806. You can take another, and you can get some different kind of interface. So you can see the dashboard is open, and if you want to test as the last step in the document is that you have to test a RAM monitoring panel. So RAM test. So this is the command stress VM byte 600 timeout is 127 for 2 minutes. You have to run this command. It will run, and it will take around 600 MB, so that we can know that how much stress it can bear. And so I have run this, and after running this, there was quite change in, like, it went till RAM used percentage went till 74. Okay, till 74 it went. So now it is not working because it got timed out. So that's why. Otherwise, I would have shown you that how that, but it takes a few time. Suddenly, it don't move. It takes around 2 minutes to show you the result. So this is my Grafana dashboard. Okay, then I hope you understand what all things I have did in this. You can follow this document, and let me know if there is any changes. Thank you.